Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to today's unboxing of this advent calendar. I got this from Adelaide Stocking Stuffers here in Adelaide. I'll leave the description in the box below. I recently did an in-store tour and I purchased this with my own money. This cost me $20 and it has 24 fidget toys in it. So I'm excited to be able to open it up for you and show what's inside. And the lady in the store was awesome because she said to me, "Do you have many fidget toys already?" And I said no, and she said, "Great, this will be a perfect gift for you. But if you already have some, then I would suggest that you buy just one or two things extra." So it's great that there's 24 items in here for $20 because most of these things individually that I can see, they were $2 or more in store. So we're going to open it up and have a look at what we get. So the numbers are a little bit difficult to see. I can see them here, so we will go for the look. Tell me if you find the numbers before I do. So we'll start with number 1. I'm looking as I'm talking. Oh, here we go. Number 1. Oh, I'm gonna put my scissors here. Oh, I feel like maybe I need a pair of tweezers. Okay, so number 1 is just a little metal spring. Good ring. Oh, so that rolls around in itself. Yeah. Right, number 2. Oh, look at that, so cute. Some little peas in a pod. Do the peas come out? Or do you turn the peas inside out? There needs to be instructions. So we have some little peas in the pod. It's like an asleep face and an awake face. It's probably just meant to be like a little keychain actually. All right, it's number 2. Okay, number 3. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, a squishy. It's a little Santa sack. Okay. Number 4. Oh, we love the bigger doors. Oh, is that meant to be in here as well? Or he's from something else? I think he's probably from something else. Guess what? I think if we open a door and we don't find anything, he'll probably be in there. So we'll just put him to the side. But this is number 4. And we have a click clack. Okay. 5. Oh. Oh, I love these. Little squishy ball. they're always good to just roll around in your hand, play with if you need to throw something. All right, number 6. Oh, back here. Neat. So I find that some of the perforations probably aren't the best. Oh, another squishy, pretty stretchable. Okay, number 7. Oh, that's clever. So another stretchy, but you can tie up yourself. Says she who can't really tie anything. I can't even tie up those balloons. You know, you gotta tie up a balloon. I still haven't done it. Oh, there we go. Okay, number 8. Oh, over here. Oh, a long door. I love a long door, and I never know which side to open. Oh, we saw these in the shop. So yeah, it's like a mesh material, thicker than like those shopping bags, and there's a marble inside, so sit there and play with it. That was 8. Okay, 9. Right next door. So there's nothing in there. So are we assuming that this is number 9? He's a stretchy man. Shall we say that's number 9? Okay, number 10. Oh, it's a little finger puppet. Oh my gosh, these remind me. Anyone who used to go to the school dentist, and these used to be on the light that they'd pull, and I always used to ask, oh, how do I get one of those? Super cute. Okay, number 11. Hashtag I am not good at opening things. Oh, I love these things. These are those bendable snake things. My husband is really good at making these into the right shapes that they need to go. It probably doesn't move as well as what some of them do that I've seen. But yeah. Oh, could be here all day. Oh, break. Alright, so movable snake. Alright, what number was that? Yep, so 11. Okay, number 12. Oh, right here. I think. Oh no. Don't want to open any others up. Or just chop that one off. Oh, another squishy. A Christmas tree. It's pretty squishy. Okay, number 13 down here. Yes. A fidget spinner. This is probably, I think this is going to be my favorite. Oh, and it's got little balls. So these don't move. Don't know if they're meant to or not, but it spins. Okay, I feel like I should probably put the number with that so when I lay them out I can show you guys. Okay, so 14. Oh, up here. Yes. Rubik's Cube. I bet if I mess this up, my husband can put these back together again because he is super clever. I've always wanted... Oops. Okay, so this bit's come apart. I guess that that's going to be something for my husband to fix. I will have to find the missing part, but in the meantime I'll just put that to the side. I wasn't even playing with it all that hard either, so. Okay, 15. What was that? It was 14. 15. Oh, here it is. Oh, another one of those pull ties. That'd be clever. You could tie the two together. 16. Oh, another squishy ball. 17. Oh, long one. Oh, I love the long ones. Oh, I'm just going to pull that out. We'll pull that number off. So we have another one of the ball, mazes. I don't think it's a marble this time. I think it's just a plastic bowl, but it's still in its mesh casing. Okay, 18, here we go. Let's just take the door off. Let's be honest. Another squishy. This one's a bit stickier than the others. Santa. Okay, 19. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. So it's a soccer ball, but it's got the fidget parts to the side. Oh, I can see that being very handy. That's the smaller version of the one that she actually gave us. Okay, number 20. Take the door off. Oh, it's a popper, and you could put this on a keychain. So it's just the two pops. You know, I can see adults just sitting and playing with this for ages. It reminds me of popping for the packaging. When you do all those popping, words have totally escaped me today. All right, so 21. Oh, down here. Oh, this feels like a big one. Ooh. Oh, I love these. Oh, this is clever. You need to, is it that you put the balls on the holes? How would you do that with two sets of, that's crazy. We're going to be here all day. Okay, anyway. There we go. All right, 22 up the top. This little man. So it's got the same mesh as the maze run, and then this is the ball. I guess the fiddle bit is just squishing this or putting it on your finger as a bit of a puppet, because this is hard as. All right, 23. Oh, this is another full one, feels like it. Oh, yes. Oh, I love these. Slinkies, springs. Oh, it's got a happy face. Did you ever have a slinky when you were younger? I had one. And I'd always try and look for stairs so I could make it go down the stairs. Okay, and 24. Wow, I thought that was weird that the door was so big. Now, oops, now it explains why the tape's in here. Oh, that's probably not very good. The tape's brought off some colours. Oh, bit of manufacturer mess left over. So, all right, so the first one is a Christmas puppet. Very cute. And then this is really good because this is like $4 retail in the store. I've always wanted to play with one of these, so now I have one. Rainbow popper. Awesome. That's amazing. You get 2 of those on 24 on the last one. Okay, so I think we've opened everything up. So let me lay everything out in numerical order and I'll show you guys. Okay, so we've got everything else here, and I would say that retail wise, it's definitely valued at more than $20. This on its own is $4. These were $3, I think, in the shop, or $2. Most things that I'm seeing are kind of $2, so it's gonna add up pretty quickly. I feel that having a couple of doubles of things probably isn't the best, but at least they're different colors. It would be great to have one of these poppers, the individual ones that I saw in store. So it's an actual little individual fidget toy rather than having everything in the one. This kind of, I don't know, I understand the mesh feeling of it, but I just feel that if maybe someone's going to sit there and bang on it, it's probably not the best. This also broke those pieces, so that's really not the best. I think the popper and the spinner are definitely my favorite, and some of the squishies aren't too bad. And I did like the ring at the start because I can imagine putting that on and off, playing with it with my finger. So there is everything in the advent calendar. If you get one, let me know what you thought of it. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next time.